an early morning right now, Sunday morning, and we decided that we're going to Sylvan Lake. So it's like a lake beach type of thing. So we're gonna head out there today. So I got up before everybody and just prepping a few things to take along with us, and prepping pretty much everybody clothes. Right, I did started doing that yesterday, but you know what, I got tired because I was doing a bunch of things. But this morning I decided to, you know, get up earlier and start getting things ready. Right over there I have the igloo and some stuff already, baby milk and things. I'm gonna make some sandwiches as well, so we don't have to stop and buy a bunch of junk food on the way. Me not into that. I am on track with with how I'm changing a few things, lifestyle changes. So I decided, okay, let's stop in on the road and, you know, just bring few snacks and stuff. Probably buy something, maybe not, we'll see. So yeah, so we're heading out to Sylvan Lake today. Over the water is still warm. Today is gonna be maybe like 25, I believe, over there. So that's good. So hopefully the water is still warm, everybody can swim. Probably swim, maybe not. No watch me here. I'm going to, literally I woke up just a while ago. I am going to fix it up and all of those things. So no watch that. Right, so yeah, so that's what I'm just coming in to do, a little intro into what we're doing today, and then I'll see you guys on the road, and then I'll see you at Sylvan Lake. And about to head out. So this is my outfit of the day. It's a one piece. So one piece fits right under this, and I just put a cover on top, and yeah, boom, bada boom. That is it for my one piece. Yep. So we're about to head out now on the road. So see you guys in a little bit. See, I fixed up my hair a little bit. See, we try to do the baby here, but that ain't. Oh, see, I can't angle this thing. Working out too much. All the people in our water. Not wallet, but people in our water. I'm gonna look for bottles and stuff.
You know what's that, Leo?
Yes. We're here.
Okay, I'm going to turn
No,
up
we
here.
we were. Yeah, you can tell me.
Yeah, Jay's been here when he was a bit. What's
Yeah.
got the pit bull then? Video the pit bull there. What them big one?
Okay guys, so we just reached to Sylvan Lake. Took us maybe about 1.5 hours to get here. So we're just kind of taking out stuff now. We have the stroller over there, Leo, Jace over there. Obi in the back. Boo, say hi.
Hello.
Yes, we're just setting up a few things. We have the bag here to go. And yeah, we got a parking. Hopefully we're able to stay right here. It's a private parking, but we parked here before and it was fine. So hopefully there won't be any issue. So we're head down to the water now. Hopefully it's warm enough to swim.
Let me tell you, last time there was no sun this year.
Yeah, because we came when it was cold. That's the reason why. Yeah, it was very bleaky outside.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
Dad have the shirt on. Same shirts.
Yeah, he had a shirt on just like yours.
Yeah.
Let me set up.
Why didn't you bring all the pens, bro?
I think it probably too big. These ones are beach tent, you know. Them lighter. You don't remember nothing, you know.
I remember everything.
Then why didn't you put it down?
Put down the tent.
Or get up and take it up. You have the balloon man there, so the circle something, inflatable thing for open. Heading home now. I'll be at the back there. Everybody get a dive. It was a little bit chilly, but some parts of the water was warm. Right. And we have Jess here. Leah at the front there. So we're just gonna head home now for the day. Probably stop and get ice cream. I would like some ice cream.
Something to do. Ice cream and
Nope, I would like some ice cream over here. So you can't tell me that more ice cream over there.
ice cream more expensive than So you really are gonna buy ice cream?
Yes. Just gonna leave me say, yo, the ground, my foot bottom tender. So what you trying to say, my foot bottom tough?
Are you want to tell me your business?
This man is something else a bit. Look how you just walk into your element, eh?
And you out of your element?
I was not in one.
Why are you out of your element?
Ouch.
Come here.
The stone had dropped me, man.
Hold on. Let's see how some people walk. You want to come out? You want to go walk?
Oh, yeah, take him out.
Let's see him be with the thing.
Okay.
Let go find something, boy.